Hello out there, Summer Canes friends, and anyone else who happens to be checking us out. Another Elephant and Piggy book, Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. This is another Elephant and Piggy extra, just for you. You ready? Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want to, yes? What? A ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! Remember, when you sneeze into your elbow. Elephant really didn't do that. He kind of blew Piggy away there. Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if? What do you think he's thinking? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Chew. Goodbye. Gerald. I think that is. Looks like a cat. That's a doctor. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You're sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Why do you think Piggy is sick now, too? Probably because Gerald, every time he sneezed on Piggy. So remember that, especially nowadays. When you sneeze into your elbow, wash your hands after you've used a tissue or you've blown your nose, or use hand sanitizer properly. And try not to blow your germs on anyone, especially your friends. Pigs Make Me Sneeze, another Mo Willems classic for our friends at Summer Canes. Till next time, bye.